Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me XIAOMI 12T Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to install and how to set up Family Link on this device. Okay, to do it we need child device, XIAOMI 12T Pro, and parent device. So cool. Firstly, you need to create the account for the child with the password that only you will know. Why? Because if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So I suggest you create the account with the password that only you will know. Okay, great. So firstly, you need to log out of all child's Google accounts on this device. So open settings, then scroll down, choose accounts and sync, then choose Google account to remove, more, remove, great. And now you need to add child's Google account with the password that only you will know. So open settings, scroll down, choose account and sync, click add account, Google, enter child's email, and enter child's password. Then click next. I agree. Scroll down, click accept. Great. Now go back to the settings main menu. Then choose Google. Scroll down, choose parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Select here child's Google account we have recently added, and cool. Now you need to link your Google account with the child Google account. So enter your email here, and enter your password. Click next, check an account, wait a while, scroll down and confirm child's password again. Click agree, allow supervision, wait a while. And great, accounts are linked. Parental controls is installed. Great, click next. Scroll down, click next. And wait a while. Scroll down, click next, and click skip, and go back to the home screen. Right, now on your device, on parent device, open App Store, Play Store, and find Family Link application. I have installed it. You need to install this application, and then in Family Link application you will see the control panel of the child's device. Here you will see all child's devices. Of course, I have a lot of devices here because I'm recording this video for every device I have in our office. So here you can see all child's devices. There are active devices, for example. This is XIAOMI 12 Pro. It's here. Cool. Here we can set up app limits. Wait a while. Here we have app limits. For example, we can block separate application on this device. For example, let's check which apps we have on our device. For example, we have here PUBG, Dead by Daylight, Sky. So let's find one of these applications. Call of Duty Mobile Identity. Wait for it. Identify, for example, yes. So click on it and just click block. Click done. Wait a while. And as you can see, Identify was successfully blocked on the child's device. You can unlock any application, setting always allow, or for example, you can set limit, daily limit. For example, child can play on Identify only 30 minutes per day. Click done. Wait a while. Wait a while. Okay, it's here now. So now child can play only 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, application will blocked to tomorrow. And of course, you can make this application to always allow. Great. As you can see, we have a fully control of the child's device. We can block device, we can lock everything, we can set a time to sleep after these games are not working after the setting time. And that's it. Here we have highlights. For example, wait for it. I have poor connection. So for example, here are highlights. What change would create your balanced family. Here you can see location of the child's device. Just click set application and you will get reminders, you will get messages from Family Link when child's leave the place selected on the map. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.